guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I solve modular exponentiation for large numbers. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have to implement this function pow xn this, and then in other words, you have given a value xn and m, and you have to find this using this formula, using this value, given value. Okay, now understand this. First, we need to understand approach of this problem statement. First, we initialization. We start with a result variable, initialize to 1, and then we reduce x modulo to m, and initially it keep the base manageable. Then we use this formula, and this formula also called exponential by squaring. And then next step is we create a loop until n is 0, and it is if n is odd, then it will multiply the result by x, then take modulo m, and then square x and reduce it modulo m, then we half n and it will return result. Now in first example, x value is 3 and n value is 2 and m value is 4. Our formula is x to the power n modulo n. This is our formula, and our given value x means 3 to the x to the power n means 3 square by modulo m value is 4. This now 3 square means 3 square 9, 9 modulo 4. How many times we divide 9? Only 2 times. Okay, 2 times 9 divide 4, 4 into 2 8. So remainder, we also in modulo we write down only the remainder value. In this case, 9 divide 9 modulo 4, remainder is 1. Okay, so in output it will show 1. And go to next example. In next example, x value is 2, means 2 to the power n value is 6, to the power 6, and m value is 10 modulo 10. Okay, to the power 6 means you can so okay, it will be 64, I think 64. Now go to divide it. 10, 64, 6, we only divide into 6 into 10, 60, and our remainder will be 4. So in modulo 64 modulo 10, the remainder will be 4. So in output it will show 4. Now pseudocode. Pseudocode, first we create a function, and this also given this all these value x in m. Then we initialize result variable to 1, and then we update x to x modulo m to handle the large x to keep within these bounds. Then we create a loop while n greater than 0. Then if it create a nested loop, condition is if modulo 2 equals to 1, means if n is odd, then it will multiply current result by x, and x is modulo 2m. This if any is odd, in this case this will work. Then create a square x and take modulo m to prevent overflow, then we divide n by 2. It is integer division, then last step it will return the final result. Okay, now go to code. In pseudocode we also discuss, we create a result and update this equal to x modulo m and create a while loop. Then in odd case it will check if modulo m and it will return this. Then other are same, in also in same to pseudocode. Now compile and run. Okay, now submit, and it's done. We solved today's problem. See you in next video. Still in data. Bye.